Hi, it's Vicki with Vicki Boo Marketing, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily check the overall results of your search engine optimization activities in 5 minutes or less. This is perfect for those times when you need to go in and do a quick check, but you don't have tons of time to really dive into all of the reports that you can run and the different software you can use to see your efforts. This quick and easy method gives you a great insight and doesn't take you a lot of time or effort. So let me show you how we do it. One of the best tools you can use for this type of reporting is Google Search Console. If you don't have this set up on your website yet, you want to go and do it. And it's really easy if you've already installed Google Analytics, which you should. Getting your property verified in Google Search Console usually only takes a couple of clicks. I'm not going to delve into everything Google Search Console can show you, but I'm going to show you the quick and easy method we check every now and then when we only have a few minutes to determine if overall search engine optimization efforts have been effective. This is an actual client, and I'm not going to show you their confidential information such as their name, but I can show you the chart. So when you go to Google Search Console at search.google.com and click on the Performance tab in the left menu, this is the chart you're going to get. And I always start by changing the date to a custom date that is long-term, a little bit longer than we've been working on their website when possible. The purple and blue lines are going up. The purple line going up, that's total impressions. That's really great. But we're not going to look at either of these for this quick, down and dirty SEO report. I'm going to actually uncheck the total clicks and total impressions. I'm going to click and choose average position. And now let me unclick total impressions. What we're going to look at, not worrying about the ups and downs, that's normal. That average position number is the one we're going to keep our eye on as we work through this. It's really quick. Average position over the past 3 years has been 48.4. And this is for all terms that have provided search results. Sometimes these keywords aren't things that you want to rank for. For example, working with a self-storage company, and they were ranking for Chinese dictionary and Russian dictionary. Some bad SEO had been done in the past, and they were ranking for things they didn't want to rank for. So it includes those keywords as well, everything that have caused your website to show up in search results. But it's a great overall number to keep an eye on. So we know in the past 3 years, the average position for all search terms has been 48.4, which is down on the very bottom of page 4 in the search results, because there's about 10 results per page. Real quickly, all I'm going to do is use some of the preset dates by clicking on that date selector, change it to the last 16 months, and apply. And I'm going to look at that number again, 48.4, still the same thing. That would be because we started working with this client about 12 months ago. Still, it's something we look at to compare if the efforts we're doing now is making a difference compared to what they were doing in the past. I'm going to click the date selector again and change it to the last 12 months and see if it moves from 48.4 and it goes to 48.2. So that's a good thing. It's an upward trend. That means on average showing up slightly higher in the search result because we're looking for an upward trend. And remember, this client is not doing any paid search advertising. No Google ads, no Facebook ads. The client doesn't even offer a product or service yet. This client is simply using their website and some blogging to establish credibility in their field. It's a little bit different once you get into some other things where you can actually drive traffic for reasons beyond reading blogs, but we are working to get her awareness increased and overall improve her SEO before she kicks off those products and services in 2021. So she has a really long-term strategy. That's why we're not doing paid advertising. She understands SEO is as an organic strategy is long-term. But it's great because the work you put into it starts snowballing and you see those results going up. Last 12 months, average position 48.2. It's better than it was at 16 months. That's what we're looking for. Now we're going to switch to last 6 months. Granted, that's a jump of 6 months. So we'll see what happens. From 48.2, we go to 46.3. That's good. That's moving us up in overall search results onto the middle of page 4 now. Granted, we don't want to be in the middle of page 4, but what we're looking for is a quick eyeball of the trend, and we're moving in the right direction. That's what we want to know. I'm going to switch that date selector again to the preset last 3 months, and we go from 46.3 to 44.8. Still moving up. That's what we want to see. I'm going to switch that date selector again to the last 28 days, so basically the past month. And we jump up 2 more, 42.8. We're at the top of page 4 now. There is one more preset date you can look at, last 7 days. I don't usually check that one because, first of all, Google Search Console usually runs a couple days behind. It actually tells me last updated 10 hours ago, but that's not going to be data from yesterday. And we haven't actually added a blog article in the last 7 days. That will be coming out tomorrow. She has had to do some reposting, so she hasn't posted anything new on her website in the last 7 days. We've just taken some existing content and reposted it to social media because she's been out of town. Another thing you can do here real quickly and easily. So if you scroll down, the exact search terms that were used to find your website are listed down below. And I'm going to click on her top one in this 3-year time period and let you see that chart. So this search term is actually an average position of 3. That's on page 1 of Google search results in the 3rd position. And it's actually one of the terms that we have been actively optimizing for on her website. So instead of getting some of those random ones that we don't want to show up for, this is one of the ones that we've been working on, and we have definitely moved it up to pretty consistently, like position 1, position 2, position 3. We can change the date again, and we see the average position 1.8. So it is sometimes the first result that someone is seeing when they search for that particular term, which is awesome. That tells us our efforts are definitely working. Using Google Search Console for this quick and easy overview of if your efforts are working, especially those days when you feel like you're going in and you're doing your search engine optimization activities and you're like, is this ever going to make a difference? I feel like I keep doing and doing. SEO is a long-term strategy, and this is a quick way for you to see that yes, your efforts are working. Now again, I'll remind you, this is not the only thing you want to check, and it's definitely not the only report you want to be paying attention to, but it's a great way for a quick update. This is exactly the type of thing that we teach you in our new SEO Accelerator Do-It-Yourself Search Engine Optimization program. In addition to a weekly PDF report that we email you that pulls together information from a variety of different sources and tells you some of the technical things that you need to be updating on your website, that report can help you keep track of how well you're doing as well. In our new SEO Accelerator, we also teach you the exact strategies we use when we are performing search engine optimization for our clients. This would be things like the technical pieces of SEO, yes, as well as some of Google's most recent algorithm updates and the one that they plan for 2021, along with combining some of the best practices from marketing in general, so that not only can you get traffic to your website, but you can increase your conversions once you get them there. All of this in a DIY SEO program. So if you're in the process of doing it yourself, or you're interested in doing it yourself, you definitely want to check out that program because you don't have to do it alone. You can get the support of our entire SEO team while you do it. And of course, then we have done for you SEO options as well. Check out our new SEO Accelerator on our website, vickiwoo.marketing. Right there on the front page at the top, you'll find information on that. And of course, if you have any marketing questions, including SEO questions, feel free to comment down below and ask them here, or you can visit our website, vickiwu.marketing, and in the bottom right corner, you'll see a chat bubble icon. You can click that and ask your question there. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.